and welcome back to Easy English Daily. This is day 3 of our 5-day English speaking challenge.
First of all, if you've completed day 1 and day 2, I'm super proud of you. If this is your first video, you can start from here and catch up anytime. Today, we're going to learn how to describe things in English, like your room, your favorite food, or your phone, using easy, clear sentences. Part 1: Common adjectives. Big, small, new, old, beautiful. Expensive, cheap, soft, hard, heavy, light. Nice. These are useful when you describe anything: a phone, a book, a room, even a person. Part 2: Describe real objects. Example 1. My chair. My chair is brown. It's wooden and comfortable. Example 2. My phone. My phone is black. It's new and expensive. Example 3. My favorite food. I love pizza. It's hot, cheesy, and delicious. Now repeat after me. My phone is black. It's new and expensive. I love pizza. It's hot, cheesy, and delicious. Great, that's how you build simple, descriptive sentences. Your Day 3 speaking challenge is to describe any one object around you in 2 to 3 simple sentences. Here's how you do it. 1. Say what the object is. 2. Use 2 to 3 adjectives. 3. Tell why you like it. Example: This is my notebook. It's blue, soft, and useful. I write my English notes in it. Now pause this video, look around, and try it yourself. Say it aloud. Don't just think, speak. That's it for day 3. You just learned how to describe things in English confidently. Practice this with 3 different objects today. Start with your phone, your bag, your favorite dish, anything. Comment, day 3 done, and tell me what you described today. I'll reply to some of your answers personally. Tomorrow in day 4, we'll talk about daily routines in English, so you can describe your day with confidence. Subscribe and hit the bell, and I'll see you in the next video. This is Easy English Daily. Speak daily, speak easy.